Yeah, hello all. Uh, Dear friends, actually why we are gathered here is for a simple reason. See, there are some basic things. We all control panel manufacturers is such a community trapped between multinational companies or public limited companies or the companies having a lot of money power. For an example, we purchase switchgear from Schneider, ABB, Siemens, Legrand, etc. And they decide their terms and conditions, rates, discounts, and apply it on you. And on the other hand, the people you sell your products are also PSUs, construction companies, big projects, railways, defense, and other government companies. They are your customers and they put you in a trap of bank guarantees, late payments, credit terms, inspections, like that. We are very small compared to them and we are trapped in a vicious circle of non-growth, payment problems, new upcoming IEC standards, and new rules to govern and press and suppress you. This is happening since last 50 years. What next? How we do about it? There is only one solution, is to unite us all and show the outer world a single identity, a big identity, that is COSMA. If you are a COSMA member, you are backed up by 400 strong members, and we are planning for 2,500 by this year end of this brotherhood family. How we use this unity? We can alert others about the particular customers. We can negotiate with the suppliers jointly like steel, copper, switchgear, etc. Then we can deny or reduce percentage of bank guarantees. If we unitedly fight about the draconian payment terms ruled by the customers, we can also say no to the tenders unitedly about a guarantee period not justifiable. So bottom line is, we COSMA make our own rules jointly to bend our giant suppliers or as well as the giant customers. That's all. Many other great things about COSMA will be elaborated by Mr. Dipesh Ji, our Vice Chairman of Kerala, and Mr. Ramni, Director and in charge of our Southern region. Thank you. This is Anand, Director COSMA. Over to Ramni, sir.
Over to Dipesh, actually.
Request Mr. Dipesh Bhai.
Sorry, Dipesh.
Good evening, all. First of all, very thank you for Sanjeev sir motivational words. I surprised. He told the date which we were met here last year. Anyway, first of all, I would like to express my gratitude to COSMA for arranging such a memorable day in my business life, because today all of my panel builder friends are joining together as a team to grow together and help together under one umbrella, that is COSMA. See friends, nowadays we are facing lot of issues in our market, price wise, unhealthy competitions, payment issues like earlier Anand sir told. So many issues are there in nationally and locally we are facing. So such a association, we actually for electrical contractors they have an association. Now building manufacturers they have an association. Every sector they are making their own associations, and they are doing something for the high price hiking, everything. They are making some central purchase, for example. So many remedies they are implementing. So we also need an association. In Kerala, the panel board manufacturers associations are not there. So the requirement of an association is no mandatory nowadays. So anyway, I will share my experience, small experience since lockdown period, because that time COSMA has arranged webinars in all Sundays, and it was very motivational and very supportive to understand about the measures were taken by the government authorities, like GEM, the different experience shared by other members, and that everything helped me to plan my business after the lockdown. Now, it was that time I decided to share this thing to my panel builders in Kerala also. So that is what I tried to get him together. So we had a small meeting, not an official meeting, together in one part of Kerala. So now everybody is expressed their interest to join COSMA. Anyway, I'm coming to my responsibility. I hereby welcome to our respected leaders, Mr. Satish Kasi Saab, founder and chairman of COSMA, Mr. Sanjeev Kinavar, President, National President, Mr. Sriram Joshi, Secretary, Mr. Ramani Mani, Sir, Director, and Mr. Anand Javan, and Vishal Sankvi. He is our IT head who is conducting this platform. He is coordinating this platform for us. Also, our guests, especially respected consultants, panel builders, stockists, and dealers, those who sharing their valuable time here as per our request. That's only from my side. Over to Vishal.
Okay, now we are moving further with Mr. Ramniji.
Yep.
Yeah.
So thank you, Vishal, and very happy to see that so many of you have come and joined in this exploration. I would say that it's something which we all are keen to understand. Is there a better way? Can unity really be strength? Can we really imagine getting into collaboration rather than competition? And like the respected consultant mentioned, whether COSMA can stand for a certain degree of quality or for a certain degree of standardization, for something where the end user and the consultant could easily trust a COSMA member, so on and so forth. So let's first start at the very beginning. And COSMA, my dear friends, started in the year 1988, and we are headquartered in the commercial capital of Mumbai. Yeah. So just to give you a brief history, we were speaking about Mr. Satish Kasi, and Mr. Satish Kasi himself, in fact, yesterday he celebrated his 82nd birthday, and 82 is just a number for him. He's been so energetic. He's been, absolutely in the forefront of guiding us in terms of how we should go about strengthening our association and making it meaningful to serve the control panel manufacturers in India, and also explore the possibility of seeing how we can add value to those overseas as well. And it all started, when these panel builders, not only Mr. Kazi, but Mr. Asim, Mr. Fatke, and Mr. Naveen, in those days, they used to meet in panel builders, in customer and consultants' offices, where they've been invited for negotiation. And obviously, when that sort of a situation happens, there is a certain amount of animosity which was experienced by Mr. Kazi amongst the panel. They would really look at each other as a threat. They would really feel a little bad about the fact that their order is getting taken by somebody else. And so he thought that probably if we could transform this energy from animosity to collaboration, then perhaps it would help all of us. So as I go forward, I'll touch upon that. And today we are present in about 16 states. We have more than 400, actually more than 500 members as of today. And we are one big, large family, hoping to be even more larger. So here's what Mr. Satish Kazi, as the chairman, has to say. that he envisions COSMA as a premier association of control panel and switchgear manufacturers, continually striving to elevate the quality of products and services, thereby creating value for customers in India and the world at large. And he's quickly, supported in his vision with a mission which comes in from the president, Mrs. Sanjeev Kinnavar. He says to foster a fraternity of control panel and switchgear manufacturers devoted to the creation of trust amongst our customers and well-wishers, to nurture high standards of quality in all products and services, to seek avenues for the creation of better relationship with customer, which is so very important, to generate higher goodwill amongst our members, to recognize that wealth and abundance are fundamental gifts from nature for those who strive, and coexistence is the key to sustenance of our ecosystem. So we'll try and understand how all these things are going to happen. To help our members to seek and pursue knowledge as a means for betterment of personal position and continuing growth for the self and society. So these are the high values and thinking which COSMA comes from. So let's have a quick look at the objectives. To create a professional brotherhood and friendship, to bring unity and cooperation amongst members, to work for mutual benefit and progress in technical as well as commercial aspects of business, to represent with the government and other bodies the problems of trade, particularly statutory regulations. Sometimes you have entry tax coming in, and sometimes octroi gets levied, and all these issues, if we are there together, then it's possible for us to take it on with the government bodies and even create a change in the way the larger bodies can think. To interact with similar associations and Chamber of Commerce on subjects of common interest. So again, just like COSMA, we come together and unity is strength. And then if we try and associate with other associations, then the kind of strength what we would be talking about, it would really be there for people to stand up and recognize us. To disseminate vital information to members through circular and seminars, to secure due recognition and work for a better deal for our business, and to strive to achieve removal of all acknowledged grievances affecting the industry's interest. So all these are, aspects of what we struggle with on a day-to-day basis, from a time-to-time basis. And it's important for us to recognize that, when there is just one stick, then it's probably easy for one to break it. But when a number of sticks get tied up together, then the strength is something which is completely different. So it's important for us to explore the strength of our coming together, staying together, and working together. So here is our board of directors. We have already seen Mr. Satish Kazi and Mr. Sanjeev Kinnavar, who's our chairman and president respectively. Then we have Mr. Chetan Daria, who's our vice president. He's been around for quite some time with COSMA. So also Mr. Sriram Joshi, who's our honorary secretary. The latest introduction of being a director is Mr. Sudhir Hanmante. He's also there with us in this group. We have Mr. Rajesh Chettiar, Mr. Anand, we all heard him, and there we have myself. So as far as past presidents are concerned, we had Mr. D.R. Rao serving us from 2005 to 2009, and Mr. Soeb Fatehi, who's right now in the US, and he has served us from 2009 to 2016. As far as our activities are concerned, it's important to understand that everything starts with relationship, and therefore fellowship meetings is something which is very, very important. And it was nice to see Deepesh send us a photograph of 5 to 6 switchboard manufacturers who have come together in Kerala, and he has actually thought through this entire exercise, which is very good. In fact, I must compliment Mr. Deepesh for being the very first vice chairman of COSMA. This whole concept of developing each and every part of India was a brainchild which sort of emerged as Sanjeev Bhai said that it took he put the seed there, and today we find that Kazi Bhai also added on, and Deepesh is today our vice chairman. We have one more vice chairman by name Sanjeev Lodha in Rajasthan, and we are looking at similar vice chairmen to be selected in each and every state of India, so that we are able to have this COSMA and the flavor of COSMA, the benefits of COSMA impact the length and breadth of our country. So, should there be anyone amongst us here from a state where he would like to represent COSMA as a vice chairman, please get in touch with either me or Anand or Sanjeev, and then we'll see how to take this forward. Coming together, we then go on to technical seminars where we either invite switchgear manufacturers to talk about their products. There's a lot of technical knowledge which gets shared. There's even software which is very useful in our switchboard industry for estimation and design and other purposes, which also we have seminars on. There are training programs, factory visits, and workshops in technical and design engineering, quality assurance for members. All these things takes place from time to time. We all have, like Sanjeev said that he met Deepesh in the Rittal factory. Similarly, we have visited Elmeasure factory. We have visited EAPL factory in Bangalore. We have visited several other factories in Mumbai, and it's all. I'll show you some photographs of these factory visits also as we go forward. We also have biannual award functions to recognize and honor eminent persons. So we'll go into this also. Seeing is believing. I'll show you some photographs. COSMA publishes special editions of COSMA News at every Electraman. That's a huge amount of technical data there, very good information, very appropriate to panel building industry, advertisements, and the readership is over 10,000. So that'll be a very big advertisement opportunity also for those of us who'd like to advertise. And it's something where we sort of preserve that copy as something which we'd like to go back to from time to time. COSMA is also associated with events organized by EMA, IMC, FICCI, CII, so on and so forth. So it's not just COSMA you get exposed to. Through COSMA, you get exposed to a number of other associations, and the kind of exposure, the kind of trust, the kind of positioning you get in the industry completely gets transformed. COSMA has plans to organize soft skills, human training, management and ISO workshops, and other activities in due course of time. So please join the bandwagon and see how you could also participate in each and every one of these activities. As far as the awards function is concerned, it's a question of how you recognize people in the industry, how you really convey to them how much their value is being perceived by the industry people, because there's a lot of inspiration each one of us draw from this kind of awards function. It started off in 2013, and consistently we have been having this kind of functions. Next one is due to be held at Bombay, and hopefully COVID will allow us to have it very soon. So this is what happened in 2013. We had a Lifetime Achievement Award, and there's the smiling faces of our directors and president. This is all part and parcel of the various award functions which happened. This 2013, the lamp lighting ceremony. We have a lot of stalwarts. You can see Mr. Vijay from Connectwell out here, Satish Kazi Saab, and here we have the Chairman Managing Director of Polycab, and Mr. Sohaib Fatehi, our earlier president. So just to quickly run you through Polycab chairman being awarded, we have the people on the dais, the various mementos, the group photograph being acknowledged right from the technique to, all the stalwarts. We have Vashi Electricals, Mr. Mohan in the middle, and it's a fraternity. Once you come over and join the bandwagon, you'll be able to meet people, and end of day, all the inspiration we draw is from each other, from one human being touches another human being, just as one candle lights another. And then the kind of thought processes which sort of take shape is to be experienced, to be believed. Mr. Vinod of L Measure. We also had a keynote speaker, Mr. Pradeep Shroff. So we invite people to come and share their knowledge. We had Mr. Ravindranath Khanna participating also, and where we gave him the Lifetime Achievement Award. For those of you who haven't read his book, From Garage to the Globe, I think that's something which you should pick up and read. It's an amazing journey. Mr. Ravindranath Khanna also started as a panel builder and then went on to grow C&S, and partly of which has been sold to Siemens today. So here is Mr. Gopal Khabraji from RR Cables, RR Group, another very inspiring person who shared a success story with all of us. And then we have from C&S, name doesn't come to me immediately, but he has received the award on behalf of Mr. Khanna, and each one of us appreciating it. Then we have Mr. Shyam Jaising, whom we lost unfortunately recently. But then he was one more very inspiring person, chairman of Technique, and he was honored with the award called Cosma Gaurav. Similarly, we have had in Bangalore as well, 2015, in the Capital Hotel. We have Mr. Balakrishnan. He is from EPCOS, and Mr. Joseph, IC Joseph. Then we had Mr. Sam from L Measure, and that's me lighting the lamp. We had a cross section of stalwarts from the industry join us. Mr. Madanji from Vashi, in his inexplicable way, communicating to us. Mr. Balakrishnan from EPCOS being honored. Mr. Balakrishnan, incidentally, was a neighbor of mine for quite some years. And Mr. Raj Narayan from the Radel Advanced Technology also being awarded. He's been an absolutely pioneering engineer, bringing electronics into music, two seemingly unrelated lines, but he's merged it very beautifully. Mr. Inder Jaising Ji, the chairman managing director of Polycab, he was also honored. So you see, all these things it brings us close to the principal companies, collaborating with whom makes a lot of sense for each one of us. Mr. Vijay Saheta has been a great backbone for Cosma. He's also the chairman and managing director of ConnectWell. It's, because I have been a Cosma member, I got an opportunity when I went to Mumbai to visit his factory. And just seeing his factory and the way he has been expanding itself was an experience for me. I mean, all these are small aspects, but it could not have been so easily possible without Cosma. Then we had the awards function again. Again, another awardee, galaxy of visitors who had come in for the various functions. We had Mr. A.M. Nayak, the group executive director of L&T. And so we have gone about recognizing absolute stalwarts in the industry, and that brings the entire electrical community so much closer. Select Managing Director, Mr. Samir Khazi, he is also a very active person as far as EMA is concerned. And there you have Mr. Dhandekar. He was with Legrand for quite some years, and he was also there during that function. We have Mr. Ram Talreja, and all these, just to run you through this very quickly. So many more such award functions we have had, and this is the culture of Cosma, the culture of mutually recognizing each other, the value you're adding. It's a mutual inspiration what we all get from each other, and that sort of really lays the foundation for each one of us to start thinking differently. If they can do it, why can't we? And this is the first lady who got the award. And so, we go on like that. Mr. Sil from Sunesans, he was recognized. So here is another cross section of members from COSMA, and then coming to the factory visits. Yeah, so this is very interesting for us to understand. For Siemens to open their doors and walk each one of us through their entire manufacturing process. It's something which happens when you go together, and that's what is important for us to appreciate. Again, Elmeasure, the kind of building they have built is something to be really admired. The architecture of the building as well as the layout of the entire premises was amazing. L&T Baroda, right? So the entire plant, for one to understand the technologies which they are using from different angles, different perspectives, is something of a different kind of an experience altogether. L&T Baroda factory visit, yeah. And then we also go for picnics together, and this was near the Sanjay Sarovar, Sardar Sarovar Dam in Gujarat. So this is all these are possibilities which emerge. We had a DIF seminar in Bangalore, and here is Mr. Rajan Parulekar, who actually came and spoke to us about how to sell better, as part of the COSMA time. And so, whatever is of interest to each one of us from our individual businesses, we keep trying to touch each and every part of it, each and every aspect of it in a manner which would add value to each one of us. Yeah. So again, the cross section of people, we have Diwali. We have get-togethers where the women folk of COSMA members are also invited, so that yeah. There is Vishal, can you kindly mute? Yeah, thank you. So this is something which happened in Mumbai, and Mumbai has been very, very famous for this. We have to see how to bring this into Kerala and Bangalore and all other places as well. So then there is this collaboration with EMA, as I mentioned. So here is our Secretary Shriram, and he is in a gathering of EMA members. We have Mr. Rajkumar from Ligram, Mr. Raminder Singh from L&T, and all these stalwarts for you to get an opportunity to sit and rub shoulders with is also an opportunity which EMA provides you. I mean, COSMA provides you with. So this is again to do with a visit to TDK, which is the capacitor manufacturing company, and there you have the chairman, the managing director of TDK, which was also earlier EPCOS, Mr. Balakrishnan. So there you go, and the camaraderie, which one sees amongst some members of ours, like the camaraderie which I often find between Kazibai and Gopal Kabraji. It's something to be seen, to be experienced. And all this are possibilities which open up once you're part of a larger fraternity. And so this is a COSMA EMA meet, and how we all share our experiences, look to seeing what value each one can add to the other. And then we have this membership drive, because unless we come together, we can't grow together. And this is, a COSMA certification being awarded to Gopal Kabraji and his able assistant by our chairman and president. So these are various occasions where different members, Vashi Electricals in this case, and then, we award different members. This is from Bangalore. And new members who have joined COSMA. It's a continuous process of adding on membership. So, we believe that each one should bring one. If we are able to do that, then straight away we will be able to double the kind of membership which COSMA has. And this is something which each one of us will have to put our best foot forward, primarily trying to understand for ourselves as to what is in it for us in COSMA. And the moment we understand that, then bringing in other members and sharing and spreading the good word, good message, and good opportunity with others automatically makes a lot of sense. So the Shivram from ProcDVs, they've also recently become our COSMA members. And this is a very important aspect which I'd like to touch upon before I conclude. And this is the website of our Control Panel and Switchgear Manufacturers Association. I would like each and every one of you to log into cosmaindia.co.in, and that's the website ID. And there is a lot of information. It is still under development, but there's a lot of information, and I'd like those of you who may be stalwarts in developing web designs also to come and add value. So we have right from the home, about us, to directory, events and seminars, contact and membership registration. We have test and certification inputs available, dealer and distributors this is to do with all the members, the different types of members we have: control panel manufacturers, switchgear and accessory manufacturers, dealer and distributors. And when you type, when you press on each of these links, you will go and you'll be able to see all the members in COSMA. And then your interaction with each one would automatically improve. And there is a lot of information about the test and certification, which is also available. And now, the IEC 61439 for low voltage switchboards is taking a lot of prominence in tender specifications, and therefore it's very important for us to understand what this certification is all about. And from COSMA, we have already had some seminars on this, and we will continue to disseminate all this kind of technical information so that as a panel building community, we know how to make panels the right way in terms of what is recognized by a world body like IEC. And then we also have autobiography and life stories of people like Micron Electricals of Bangalore, for instance, or Gopal Kabraji of RR Cables, or Vashi Electricals. There have been so many people who have come forward to share their life stories, and each one of this is also recorded. And you can always go into our YouTube link as well. COSMA is available in Facebook, available in LinkedIn, as well as YouTube. So you must go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and become members. Press the subscription tab so that the moment we add in a COSMA video, you immediately get intimated about it. And last but not the least is the COSMA cluster login. And the moment you log in here, then it asks you for a password, and then once you put in the password, you're getting access to a whole lot of further information. We were talking about standardization of panels, that you'll find it there. You'll find a whole lot of checklists we are going to be loading up there very shortly, in terms of quality standards, about when you receive an inquiry to making the drawing to looking into the fabrication aspects of checklist, the powder coating, the assembly, the complete internal testing, as well as the customer inspection testing. So much of information we are going to be loading into this. So and therefore we feel that it'll be worthwhile for people to come in and advertise in the COSMA website. So we're going to have website advertisement banners also, which is not going to be very expensive, but we believe that it will be very, very useful for each one who advertises, because we do believe that the traffic is going to increase the moment we are able to get COSMA more and more popular across the length and breadth of the country. So here's an appeal to each and every one of you to join COSMA. So we are basically primarily membership is open to the manufacturers of control panel and switchgear manufacturers. We have in this lifetime membership as well as patron membership. So lifetime membership is what we give for those panel builders who have a turnover of less than 20 crores. And about 20 crores, then we make them a patron member. And for lifetime member, it is 15,000 lifetime, and patron member, it is 20,000 rupees lifetime. So then we also have manufacturers of accessories that go into the manufacture of control panels. So, like your CTPT manufacturers, your wire manufacturers, all of them also are associates. So we call them associate members, AMM, associate member manufacturer. And then we have large switchgear manufacturers, like ABB is one gentleman is there from ABB with us. So here we call them the associate member trading or the AMT membership. The slab is slightly different for each one of them, and it's all available on the application form, which can be downloaded from our website. So if you go to the website, what I just showed you, if you go to membership registration, cosmaindia.co.in membership registration, you'll find the availability of the membership form there. You just download it, fill it in, and send it in, and you can, you all you need is just 2 references, and then you send it. We get it approved by the board, and then you're a member. So that is it from my side as far as introduction of COSMA, what we stand for, what are the possibilities which is there in it for you, and how you should be looking at the benefits which is available. And the faster you take a decision to become a member of COSMA, the better it would be. The faster we'll be able to get together and see how we can, as a team, as a group, create a difference in the world outside. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. If there are any questions, we'll be happy to look at it.
Sir, over to Satish, Satish sir also.
Yeah.
Can I request Satish sir to give blessings and words of blessing to everyone, please?
I think before that, we should ask participants if they have any query. Ramani has done an excellent job of explaining what is COSMA, what are the benefits of joining COSMA, what are the membership categories, etc. A wonderful presentation. But there may be some people who have one query or the other, and I would like to ask the participants who are not our members, when are they going to join COSMA? Because the whole purpose of this meeting is to give benefit of COSMA to electrical industry at large. So those who are not our members, they are today getting an opportunity to join COSMA. I would like to ask each one of them whether they have any query and when will they like to join. So Ramani?
I'm here.
Or maybe Dipesh. Ramani, you can ask people this question. If they have any query on what you have presented.
Yeah, please. Yes, please. Any questions, please? Yeah, okay. If you'd just like me to, Lingaraj, this is applicable. COSMA membership is open to all control panel manufacturers. So Lingaraj wanted to know whether this COSMA membership is available for all panel builders, and it is obviously yes. It is applicable for everybody, whether you're. And his question was whether it is only for those of the Bonanza scheme. That's a separate offer from Modutech, Lingaraj, that we don't need to mix it up with this. So COSMA, the whole purpose of this particular get together is to invite members from not just Kerala. Kerala happened to be the focus area because Dipesh took the entire initiative. But yes, across the country, we need to be developing members. I hope I answered your question. Is there any other questions?
Remedy, sir.
Yeah.
Maybe people having some doubt about this control panel manufacturer and enclosure manufacturers. Can you explain our that proposal also, please?
You see, basically, Control Panel and Switchgear Manufacturers Association is about control panel building and associated switchgear manufacturing. So, when you talk in terms of an enclosure manufacturer, it is very closely associated with switchboard manufacturers. So we have decided to bring the enclosure manufacturers under the other category which I spoke about, associated associated something manufacturers. So in that category, the enclosure manufacturers would come. So in order for one to be a COSMA member directly, where you're given voting rights and where you're given the opportunity to participate in the top management of the organization, then it is ideal that you should be a control panel manufacturer or a switchgear manufacturer. Mr. Kazi, you'd like to add anything to this?
Thank you.
Ramani, there are a number of people, as Dipesh had mentioned to me, in Kerala, who are manufacturing only enclosures, and there are some who are manufacturing enclosures duly painted. So all these people are welcome to join COSMA in AMMM category, Associate Member Manufacturing.
Associated member manufacturers.
Also, the main fruitful thing is there is no limitations for turnover and everything. Everybody can join in COSMA.
Yeah,
And
everybody.
Dipesh, everybody
Yes, sir.
is equal in irrespective of turnover.
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat it again?
As you said, anybody can join COSMA irrespective of the turnover,
Yeah.
and whether the turnover is less, small or big,
Yeah.
all members are equal.
Yeah.
That is the principle on which COSMA works.
Right.
Obviously, the people who are large manufacturers will go out of their way to support the small people, either by giving subcontract or by giving them knowledge. Or like today we are having Mr. Ramani, who is in the large manufacturers category. He has shared a lot of his knowledge about COSMA with participants. So there is one kind of advantage to the participants when large members also spare their time to come for such meetings.
Okay. So Dipesh bhai, if any query from any members,
Yeah.
you
Any
kindly
people,
please ask if anybody is having any query.
anybody need to ask in?
Yeah,
Malayalam?
Mr. Saiju has come.
Hi.
for- Yeah.
Good afternoon, Vishal and Ramani and Kasi sir.
Yeah.
Myself, Shaiju. Let me introduce myself. So I'm the founder of Ringless Electro Controls and Automation Private Limited, which is based in Calicut. So right now I'm connecting from Dubai. And thanks to Ramani for the comprehensive explanation about the rules, procedures, and the benefits of what the panel builders are getting from this opportunity. And it's a wonderful platform. And we have veterans like Kasi Saabs and all, like it will be a totally different experience for us. So, and Deepesh has taken a good initiative in Kerala. So I think my brother is managing the business there, and they had a meeting last week. So it was something, a new initiative and a new platform for everyone to come to a common objective actually. So it's a good learning for us. So there will be a lot of activities and events which we will be contributing to COSMA as well. And we have a lot of things to get back actually in terms of learning. Yeah. So thanks once again. So as of now, there is a lot of information which is shared by Mr. Ramani sir. So there is no question as of now, but there will be many questions coming out after going to the website and the initiatives. Yeah. So thanks a lot.
Welcome.
Thanks, Shaiju. In fact, one area where I feel you can add a lot of value to COSMA is by educating us as to what the expectations of customers in Dubai and other parts of the world expect from control panel manufacturers, and how it is different from what you are yourself doing in Kerala from Ringless, and how you are also equipping yourself to looking at the possibility of taking Ringless overseas.
Definitely, sir. So your blessings always there.
God's blessings. Yeah.
So
I request Mr. Satish. Mr. Satish, please come forward.
Good evening to all. My name is Satish. I am here now today. I am calling from Kuwait actually. I was on the line, but I was driving actually. Now I reached the point, and I would like to introduce myself. My name is Satish, and I am here on behalf of Grand Tech Engineering, which is situated in Pathanamthitta district, Adur, in Kerala.
Okay.
We have started 3 years back. We are manufacturing this panel enclosures, and Deepesh ji has associated with us, and my brother is Mr. Rajiv is taken care of all these operations in Kerala. This I would like to be thankful to hear in this platform. As I listened to so many informations from the senior people, very good platform, and we expect more from this type of associations, and in future also we are expecting more, and it's a wonderful idea and wonderful platform. Thank you.
So when can we expect your membership form?
Very soon, sir. Very soon. Already we got application, and that within a week we will start.
Yeah.
We'll be happy to welcome you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So Eldo is there, Leela Electric. He's already our member. Eldo, sir.
I think even after this meeting, if any query, please feel free to contact Mr. Deepesh Bhai or Mr. Ramni Bhai,
Yeah.
or any of the members, COSMA committee members.
Yeah.
Deepesh Bhai,
Yeah.
yeah, what is the next?
I think we can conclude the meeting, right? Ramesh, sir?
If anything, if there is Sanju Bhai, you wish to speak something? It looks like.
Deepesh ji, thank you for organizing and taking lead on this.
It's
It's
my
not just a Kerala meet, it is an international meet. There are people from Mumbai and Kuwait also.
Very true.
Wasma is very happy about it.
Our other committee, that is Export Union, is definitely looking more keen to have that members.
exactly.
Their contribution basically.
Yeah, of course, yes.
Right. We have people from Dubai and Kuwait also, right?
Mm.
Good.
Very soon COSMA will change the name to COSMA International.
In website also, sir.
Yeah, sir. There will be another website will come, cosmainternational.co.in.
Yeah.
So we here now we would like to conclude the meeting with the words of Sriram Bhai, our honorary secretary. And before that, Mr. Satish Bhai, Satish sir, you would like to speak something?
Well, I'm very happy about the meeting today, and I'm sure that those who have participated will join COSMA very soon. We will also talk to them who for some reason and explain to them the advantage of COSMA. Make them members too. The whole idea of is to give the benefit of COSMA experience, COSMA members to electrical fraternity at large. So that is why we are very happy that from box of electrical industry joining our group slowly one by one. I look forward to establishing a good group of people in Kerala. And of course, a lot of things will be proposed by Mr. Sriram. But on my personal behalf, I want to congratulate Deepesh for arranging today's meeting. Thank you.
I request honorary secretary Mr. Sriram Bhai to conclude this.
Yes, sir. So first of all, as Satish sir has rightly said, 3 cheers for Deepesh. Your efforts have really.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the privilege. Teamwork,
it was
with
our-
my friends.
Yes, it was my honor to see you all under one platform. And I think I know Kerala, that is from Kasaragod to Trivandrum.
Yeah.
And all the members might be from Kasaragod to Trivandrum, I presume.
Yeah.
So we covered, I think, complete Kerala. You might have covered the complete Kerala. Yes, then it was a wonderful presentation by our star Ramniji. I think his presentation was so so in detail that there was no any questions or any
Query left. No query left.
it was all crystal clear presentation. Yes, we COSMA are honorary working, and without any profit margin we are working, and the main aim is to deliver the knowledge sharing and you can say clear all the problems of all our panel builders. So in knowledge sharing, it is the technical seminars, technical sharing, management, how to do business in a better way. All these things covered in our regular management programs, which used to be happen. As rightly said, in tomorrow's world, it is not going to be competition is going to prevail, but it is a collaboration. Divided, we lose, and united, we won. That is going to be mantra of tomorrow. And COSMA follows the same. COSMA follows the same thing. So we are now united from now, say, as I said, Ase to Himachal, from Kerala to Assam. We are one and we will be one. We expect a good membership, as Satish sir says, from Kerala, because I think your intention and our intention are in line, rather in tune. We are in the same faith in electrical terms. So I expect a good membership from yours. And yes, we used to go on the, you can say, technical or industrial meetings, as well as also leisure trip. So next time, when we go to any other industrial factory, I think we will be able to see you personally there. Okay. Of course, COSMA has started 25 years before, more than 25 years before, but it's never late, sir. It's called in Hindi, "Der se aaye par durust hai." So it's never late. You are all most welcome, and we will make India more proud, a more proud nation. So with this, I conclude my, you can say, summary. And of course, it's a thanks to everyone, because it's a working day and you have taken your valuable times, all the COSMA, our office bearers, along with your Kerala bearers, along with Dipesh sir, Ramani sir, everyone. Thanks Vishal sir for joining and organizing on Zoom platform. Thank you once again. And with this word, I conclude the today's meeting. But there are going to be programs every Sunday, I mean, as per our schedule. So I request all our new members or COSMA Kerala friends to join us there. With this word, I say goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Here we are concluding the meeting.
Thank you all for joining.
Thank you all.
Jai Hind.
Thank you
Bye.
for
Jai Hind,
all
sir.
for gift up your time to COSMA.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.